So today we'll discuss about how do we do the basic setting for server. Okay, I already opened the VirtualBox manager. Then I have imported the server copy. Now we go for turning on the server. Just I will turn on the server and make it maximize. So in our course we'll be having three images. One will be server 2019. Then we have Ubuntu machine. Then we go for Windows client. Okay, so server is now starting. So the username password, go to input, keyboard, insert control alt delete. Administrator is the username. Password is admin a capital dmin small letter @123. This one is the username. Administrator password is admin @123 a capital. So I'm just log into the server. First thing we need to change the IP address of the server, the DNS server, the subnet mask and all. So here this is the server manager dashboard. So Active Directory that domain service is being installed. Okay, then DHCP is installed, DNS installed. We need to configure them. Okay, so first to change IP address, go to start button, go to settings, go to network internet, go for Ethernet, go for change, go for network and sharing center. Sometimes this is not opening because of some access issue. Go for network sharing center. Go to change adapter setting. Ethernet adapter is available. Double click. Go to properties. IPv6 we can remove. Only IPv4. Double click. I already given that IP address 192.168.15.11. Then subnet mask gateway. Okay, now 192.168.15.11. The same server is the DNS server. Okay, even you can remove the gateway also. We don't have gateway in this topology. There's no router. I'm just removing this router and gateway. Even if there also no issue, just I'm removing. Done, done, done. After that, I will just verify whether my IP address is set or not. Go to CMD command prompt. I'll open command prompt. There is a command ipconfig. See, my IP address is set. I mask also set. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll go to configure DNS. So for that, I'll go to DNS here, tools, DNS there. In DNS, we have server 2019. So we have forward lookup zone, reverse lookup zone. I already taught you about DNS, okay, domain name service or domain name system. So here forward lookup zone, go there. There's no zone on it there. Right click, new zone. Next, primary zone, yes. Then zone name. What I gave in the classroom is Utah's primary. Okay, Utah's and P are capital, remaining all small letter. Next, then the file name is also created. Next, then allow both non-secure and secure dynamic. Next, this is done. Now finish. Okay. Now inside that domain, inside that zone, we need to create a domain. So our domain name is utahs.ed.om. So I'll go to Utah's primary, right click, now new domain. So we'll start from the reverse. OM first. Click inside OM. I will do again new domain edu. Okay. Next inside edu, I'll go for again new domain Utah's. Okay. Done. Now I can see forward lookup zone. Then we have domain also. Okay. Now we go for reverse lookup zone. So reverse lookup zone means forward means when you give the domain name, they'll get IP address. Reverse means when you give the IP, they will give the domain name. Okay. Reverse lookup zone. Right click. Now new zone. Next primary same. Next IPv4 reverse lookup zone. Next network ID. So in our network, the IP address is 192.168.15.11. So network is the first three part, class C. So 192.168.15. Then next allow both secure and non-secure updates. Let's finish. And now, and to configure Active Directory domain controller. Okay, this is done. 400 was done. Now go for already I have installed, but configurations are not completely done. So to go for this warning message, there is promote the server to domain controller. Okay, the domain controller is the one which, you know, whenever you log into the machine, the username password will be sent to the controller. They will check whether the username password is given by the user is same as given in the Active Directory. So that's what domain controller will do. This one. Now, when you click that button, promote this to a server domain controller, we have three options here. We need to add a new forest. Okay, the forest is utas.edu.io. Next, so it will take some time to generate the domain name. Okay, now the administrator password they're asking, same admin at the rate 123 a capital. So we need to wait for that password and confirm password to be active. Here a capital DMIN small a DMIN at the rate 123 ADMIN at the rate 123. Next, 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 next. Install. These installations, configurations will take some time. That's why I'm doing it live. That's why I cannot skip this. So need to wait for that. Depends upon speed of internet. Sorry, depends on speed of the RAM. Wait. Okay. So we are there checking the group policy. I think I'll check group installation. Okay, this is done. So close. They'll ask you to restart. We have to restart the server. Then only the settings will be done. Let's see, restart automatically. Sorry. Okay, now it's slowly coming up. You have to log in with the password admin@123. Still waiting for the settings to be done. This takes a lot of time, so I'll wait. By the time I will load the client machine, appliance, go here, go to desktop, Windows Sova file, Windows 7. First time when you load, it will be taking a lot of time. Next time it will be loading fast. Okay, depends upon speed of your RAM of your machine. Still applying. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, server. I'm going to log in now. Admin admin at 123. See the password, same. Okay. Now server is up. Client is also starting. Now let's see. Once it is finished processing, we can see the IP address change, then the domain name changed, all those things. Okay, just wait for the process to be finished in dashboard. Now go back to local server. You could see the domain name work now. Work group is changed to task.read.im. IP address also changed. Now I need to change this firewall settings. Okay, I have to turn off the firewall. Go to firewall. Public is on. I'll go here. Every domain network, private network, public network, all the firewalls, but I will make it off. Also, this one I'll make it off. So this one I'll make it on. This one public network also firewall I have to make it off. I made all the firewall off. Okay. After that, we'll go back to this is a refresh button. Then after refreshing, all will be off now. Okay. Now we have to do some settings in the network adapter of the server. Go to the VirtualBox. Go to see first server. Go to settings. Go to network. Make it internal. Now promises mode deny means they will not connect to anyone. Okay, they will not ping. You have to make it ping to everyone. So go for allow VMs at least. Okay. Now go for the client machine. I'll log in the client machine. So client machine also I have to do the same process. Give the IP address. Okay, change network settings. So I'll change the network settings here. Make it internal. Make it allow VM. Okay. Now I'll start the client machine. It's now client. It's now logging. So now I'm logging the client machine. Server is done. Configuration for DNS done. Then Active Directory service is done. I configured forward lookup zone, reverse lookup zone. Now the password is same CyberOps. Whatever is the username, same password. Okay, done. Now the same thing you have to first set the IP address for client machine. So this one, waiting for the network to be identified. So here I'll go open network sharing, go to change adapter, LAN. Okay, if I'm fast, I'll stop again. C, go to in client server. I didn't find that option. In client, you can find this. Click this option. Go to open network sharing, change adapter, LAN identifying. Go to properties. The IPv6, I will remove the ticks. Then IPv4, I will type 192. Sorry, 192.168.15.100. Subnet mask is 255.255.250. The DNS is 192.168.15.11. The server IP. Done, done, done. After that, what I need to turn off the firewall. So for here, firewall I will disable by typing firewall dot cpl. When you type this firewall dot cpl, you will get the firewall window over here. Okay, click this. Now turn Windows firewall on or off. Go here, make it off. Off. Both firewalls off. Off. Okay. Done. Now let me see my IP address. CMD. My IP address is ipconfig 100. Now I want to test the connectivity from my client to server. Before that, I want to check my network is internal allow VMs. Done. Cable also connected. That's also important. Now I'll go here and check my connectivity to server 192.168.15.11. Sorry, not 1. It should be 11. By mistake, I put 1. You have to type again 15.11. Let's see. It's pinging. This is called destination not reachable. There's no host like that. But when I put the same IP of server, see, it's pinging. That's why reply is coming from 1132 bytes. The time 24 millisecond, then time to leave 128 millisecond. Okay, this is done. On the server also, we can try this ping to client. Okay, that also will be happening. CMD, see ping space 192.168.15.100. It is pinging. Now I want to join the client to the domain of server. Okay, that's the next step. Next step is I want to join the client should be joined to server domain. So I'll go back to the client machine. Okay, so we go here, take the computer, right click, properties. Now you could see the computer is not part of any domains, work group only. So I have to go to change settings, then change here. Computer name also you can change Windows -7 PC. Done. Now domain name is not work group. In our server we give the domain name as utas.edu.om. Okay, give this. Okay, domain name I change utas.edu.om. Username password for administrator. So administrator. Password is a capital admin at 123. Done. Welcome to utas.edu.om. Message will come now if everything is okay. Yes, done. Now we be asked to restart the client machine. Yes, restart, restart, restart now. Now let's see the restart. Now we'll go for input control or delete. Okay, so either you can log in with student account. I'll go with administrator account. So for that, you task slash administrator. Okay, password is admin@123. Now see, the computer has logged into which domain? UTAS domain. Now we could see the computer was joined in the server users or server computers. Okay. Now I'll go back to server. I go back to tools, active.users computers. In that window, I'll go to utas.audio, go to computers. I could see the Windows 7 computer in this server domain where you can find the computer and computers. Okay, that's what the activity for today. Hope you understand. So we'll see you in the next video.